Okay, so I thought I'd be out here power sanding, but it looks like I'm gonna have time for some hand sanding. So I'm just gonna do these edges real quick before the rain gets any worse. But it's a chance to further test the Amazon cork block. And I'm gonna leave these corners nice and sharp and dangerous for the most part. I just don't want splinters. So I think that's pretty good. I'm just cleaning up where I went over with a little roundover bit with my router. The chamfer cut feels surprisingly clean. I run my finger underneath. Don't want to sand too much, you change the shape of stuff. Get this burn mark out of here. Or maybe not. Maybe I'll just leave it there. The whole board kind of looks like that. This one does look like a saw burn over here. It's got that kind of weird smile that's looking at you out the side of the table. It says the saw ran into something, couldn't keep going. And things got weird. I'm going to leave that too. Gives it some character. I'm a big fan of the imperfect, so if you're an obsessive, compulsive, super precise person, I apologize in advance. All right, so that's feeling pretty good. With end grain, I tend to cross-cut it gently and then try to follow it with the grain. Here's another CA glue repair. I'm less critical with this one. Just need to bang it out because it's going to be the bottom of the table. I just thought as a courtesy I would kind of fill the gap. I need to get some fresh sandpaper for that. All right, now the rain's really starting to come down a little bit more. So I need some fresh grit for this spot. And that's pretty good. All right, time to get out of the rain. I think the cork will be okay, but the camera's probably not.